Hi guys, when you go to a market in China, do you know how to bargain? And do you know what means 便宜点儿? In Chinese supermarket, fruits is not measured in grams. It's measured in 斤 or 两. 斤, 两 is units of weight in China, and it's a long time. 1斤 is equal to 500 grams. 1两 is equal to 50 grams.
“这西瓜甜不甜？”“
保证甜，给您挑一个吧。”“
怎么卖呀？”“
3块5一斤。”“
太贵了，能便宜点吗？”“
成，给您3块2。”“
好，给我来2个。”“
得嘞。”
这西瓜甜不甜？甜不甜 means sweet or not. For another example, 好不好 good or not, 冷不冷 chill or not. All this is a type of expression combined with both positive form and negative form of an adjective. It is commonly used in daily speaking. 怎么卖啊？ It is the way of asking price. 买 buy and 卖 sell are opposite words separately. But 买卖 is a compound noun, means business. 太贵了，能便宜点吗？ It's the way of bargaining. 能便宜点吗 is the most common use in China as someone wants to pay less. 成，给您3块2。成 is equal to 可以，行 means okay. They are used to agree something. 好，给我来2个。You can say 我要一个 or 我来一个 when you are satisfied with the price and decide to buy. They are of the same meaning. But 我来一个 is a more close way to get along with seller, and it sounds more natural. Okay, at the end of this conversation, the seller said, 得嘞，得嘞。It's a standard Beijing way to confirm, agree somebody's opinion. It's equals to 行，好嘞，就按您说的做。Another meaning is somebody is very happy to make a deal, which is used in today's situation. Okay, let's say this word, 太. Read after me. 太 T-I 太 T-I 太太阳太阳 An extra dot is added at the bottom of the da. Da is another single Chinese character, means big. But tai is totally different. Tai means too much. We can see from the card that there is a big man playing football. The football represents the actual dot. It helps you to remember it. The original meaning of tai is 过于, means very, too, excessively, which is a degree adverb. For example, 太多, too much, 太大, very big, too big, 太热, too hot. In this class, the meaning of word 太 is its original meaning. 太贵了 means too expensive.这 zhe 这
zhe 这 zhe 这 这个
zhe is a semi-enclosed structure word. It is composed of 走之 and a 文. 走之 is a common radical in Chinese. 文 is a single character in Chinese. In other words, 文 is semi-enclosed by 走之. 这 is a demonstrative pronoun. It refers to someone or somewhere which is close to the man who is speaking. For example, this man, 这人 this one, 这个卖 摸挨卖
摸挨卖摸挨卖买卖买卖
means sell. 卖 is an upper-lower structure word. Firstly, you see 十字头 means 10. It's right above 买. As you know, 买 is also another single character in Chinese. See this Chinese radical. It's right above 头. 头 is another single character. So, you learned 买, and then you know 4 characters. As 10, 十字 买 头 and 卖. You kill 4 birds with 1 stone. Not bad? The original meaning of 卖 is to use goods, exchange money from others. It is opposite to 买. In this class, 卖 is used as its original meaning. Bian, 波伊安变 Bian is a left-right structure word. Left part is 单人旁. This a Chinese radical. And 耕 跟 is a single character that has many meanings. We will learn it later. Bian, common use is 方便, so we give you a convenient lunchbox to help you remember it. Bian has two pronunciations, 播音安便 and 破音安便。
便，波伊安便，波伊安便，方便，方便，破伊安便，破伊安便，便宜，便宜。
In this class, the pronunciation of 便 is 破音安便，便宜。In the same pronunciation, there is another phrase, 占便宜 means undeserved benefits. It is a negative word. 便宜 can also pronounced as 便宜. It means convenience. For example, this courtyard has both front door and back door. It is so convenient. 这个院子有两个门，很便宜。宜，宜。
宜 This word is also a recognizing syllable as a whole. So read after me. 宜，宜，宜，便宜，便宜。
宜 is an upper-lower structure word. 宝盖儿头。宝盖儿 is a Chinese radical. It's right above 且。且 is another single word in Chinese. You will meet it later. So we can see from the picture, there is a door, 且 is under the roof, 宝盖儿头。Remember this radical, 宝盖儿. It is mostly used in pictograms, and it looks like house, roof, etc. The original meaning of 宜 is 合适, 适宜 means suitable. In this class, 便宜 means good price, cheap.太，这，卖，便，宜。Okay, that's all. Everyone, don't forget to subscribe below if you found this useful. And if you do have any questions related to this class, please comment below, because I would love to share more. See you next video.